Alright, so this is what's inside of an air conditioner. Broken. But might work. There'll be maybe like 4 parts, but 4 parts of the video. Is it working? Did it not click in yet? Is that good? These things still don't work? It's
Real hot?
It's not like it's alright. Is it blowing? Yeah, it's blowing.
Yeah, it's blowing, but it's not cold.
Is there a way that will make it cold other than? Did you turn it off?
No.
It turned off by itself. Oh, it might not be like 4 parts. It might be all in one. Should I hit it with that?
Nah.
Should I try?
Yeah.